Section 211.44 Lighting. Section 211.50 Sewage and refuse. Section 211.52 Washing and toilet facilities. Section 211.58 Maintenance. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. The Section 211.44 is related to lighting and states that adequate lighting shall be provided in all areas. The Section 211.50 is sewage and refuse. Sewage, trash, and other refuse in and from the building and immediate premises shall be disposed of in a safe and sanitary manner. The Section 211.52 states about washing and toilet facilities. Adequate washing facilities shall be provided, including hot and cold water, soap or detergent, air dryers or single-service towels, and clean toilet facilities easily accessible to working areas. While Section 211.58 mentions about maintenance. Any building used in the manufacture, processing, packing, or holding of a drug product shall be maintained in a good state of repair. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.